Have you heard of evolutionary psychology?
Yes, I have. It's a fascinating field that examines human behavior and cognition from an evolutionary perspective.
That's right. Did you know that evolutionary psychology seeks to identify human psychological adaptations with regard to the ancestral problems they evolved to solve?
Yes, and it's based on the idea that psychological traits and mechanisms are either functional products of natural and sexual selection or non-adaptive byproducts of other adaptive traits.
That's really interesting. What are some applications of evolutionary psychology?
Well, for example, it can help us understand why humans have a fear of snakes and spiders, which are potentially dangerous to our ancestors. It can also shed light on why we are attracted to certain physical features in a mate, such as facial symmetry and a healthy physique.
That makes sense. What are some other applications?
Evolutionary psychology can also help us understand why we have a preference for certain types of food, why we form social relationships, and why we have a sense of fairness and justice. It can even explain why we enjoy music and art.
Wow, I had no idea. Evolutionary psychology seems like a really useful tool for understanding human behavior and cognition.
Absolutely. By understanding our evolutionary past, we can gain insight into why we behave and think the way we do today.